Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove one of those dealership sealants or coatings. So if you see this hood, you can see it's beading pretty well. There is a little bit of a sealant on there. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove that sealant and why you should get a regular ceramic coating from us versus getting one overpriced from the dealership. So all this is a multi-purpose cleaner from American Detailer Garage. It's called F-Bomb, and I'm not even going to agitate this. I'm gonna spray it on half of the hood, and then I'm gonna let it dwell for a second, and then I'm gonna rinse it off, and you're gonna see the difference in the water properties on this side of the hood compared to this side of the hood. Now you can see how the water is behaving over here where it's sort of, I don't want to say drying itself, but it's sort of retracting. And then the water on this side is just sitting. And that's because whatever sealant or coating the dealership used is already gone. Just without even agitating, without polishing, nothing. It's already diminished the qualities of the ceramic coating or sealant that they use. Now I'm going to do it to this side because we are installing PPF on this car. We don't want these sealants. So these coatings are way overpriced. They're not real and they're easily removed and they easily wear out. Don't buy them.